we've been established for 12 years. We've got £1 million a year turnover now. We've managed to build it up to that. We do MOT testing, general servicing, body shop. We also have a rolling road and alignment facility with tyres. The engine cleaning these days is important, especially with any vehicle with DPF. With the fuels being as they are, you get a lot of deposits left inside the engines, and so the plan is to obviously get that cleaned out. With the diesel particulate filters, unless they're getting run properly, people don't always know what they're doing with them, so they come back in because they've tried to regenerate them, they haven't worked, and that's when the flex fuel system comes in and cleans the system out. The flex fuel system, it works brilliantly. We've had 100% customer feedback, very, very positive, and we've got rolling road proof of the amount of horsepower that you can actually gain simply from a flex fuel treatment. Firstly, we did our own vehicles because we believe in selling something that actually works, and it does work very, very well. Now we're established with it, we're trying to bring it in and do it as an add-on to a service, especially if you've got a problem with something that's not going for its MOT or something like that on emissions. It cures an awful lot of those problems.
What we do now with the HydroClean really helps performance and everything. A vehicle like this suffers from a lot of carbon build-up, bad throttle response, bad fuel economy. It's literally, all we do is this pipe straight in after a mass airflow sensor, because obviously it can destroy it, and then all we do is we plug the computer. We have plenty of connectors that go onto the EGR. It pulses the EGR, because it's the EGR that blocks up as well. And then all we do is we put this accelerator pedal, put that onto the pedal, hold the vehicle at about 1500 to 2000 revs for approximately 2 hours, and it just pulses steam in there, which really breaks it all down, clears it out. Obviously diesels cause a lot of black smoke, and it can clear out DPFs as well, which is a massive, massive save as well. I've tested it with a RS6, that was on the dyno at 602, did a clean, put it back on, and it went up to 640. So it's a big, big gain. Obviously that's a V10 twin turbo, so it's going to, but that was also previously mapped, but it was just suffering with carbon build-up. Also helped drivability, bit better fuel economy as well, especially with something that was running at, I think that was at 15 miles per gallon, and just doing a hydrocarbon clean brought it up to about 18. So real big difference.